Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to get these crusted and busted eyebrows to snatched. Okay, as y'all can see, I don't really got eyebrows but this is how I like clean them up because usually I fill them in. I don't really care much about my eyebrows like that. Yeah, I said it, I'm not crazy about my eyebrows. Like I said, I don't have much, so this is what I do to clean them up. You're gonna need witch hazel, and cotton pad, concealer brush, tweezer, spoolie, and something to like fill your eyebrows in. This is a pencil and spoolie. And I have Nair. Yes, I know this is the body one, but I use the body one on my face because the one that's for the face don't really work for me. Like it be messing with my skin. Like, it's so weird, but I use the body one. If you have sensitive skin, I don't recommend. If Nair, you don't use Nair, just don't even watch this video. But I use the body one on my face. So first thing you want to do is take your witch hazel, clean off your face. Get any extra dirt off. I mean, I washed my face already, but that was like an hour ago, so I'm just cleaning off anything that's there. I had to go get my little mirror. So basically I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows like regular. It's basically my outline to see where I need to put the cream at. So think of it as doing your eyebrows and then cleaning up with concealer. And it don't gotta be perfect because we're gonna wipe all of it off. So yeah, as long as I get the shape that I like. Ooh, I can't, like, I can't do pencils. I'm too heavy-handed. Yeah, I have like no I have like no hair there. Wow. I don't know. My eyebrows is just non-existent, child. Okay. Yeah, this looks crazy, but this is basically my outline. This outline just tells me where not to go with the Nair. Because like I said, I don't really care about my eyebrows. It's just I need to clean them up for when I fill in my eyebrows, because anytime I don't clean up my eyebrows or something, like when I fill them in, it looks ridiculous. So I'm gonna take my Nair and then I'm gonna put it like on this pad here. Make sure you do this carefully, cause child. But like I said, you guys already have a guideline to where you're supposed to go. I don't really have hair under here, but I'm gonna still go and clean it up. And I also put it in the middle to remove any excess hair. Like, I don't really have much hair. They're really faint, but I still like put that small amount, and then connect the bottom so everything can be even. So you're gonna let that sit for like 5 minutes, no more than that. All right, so once your 5 minutes is up, you're gonna take a wet cloth, wet paper towel, and wipe your eyebrows off. Make sure it's not too wet. I made mine damp, so I'm gonna wipe off the eyebrow that I did first. And then you're just gonna remove any little hairs that were left behind. And to cool down my eyebrows, cool down the redness, I'm gonna use some oil. I'm gonna top it. Tap, 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 in. Top, top. All right, this is how my eyebrows are looking. I leave the oil on for the rest of the day. Like, I don't wipe it off. I tap them in and then just leave it like that. But yes, we looking very crisp. Now we can fill in our eyebrows and look bomb, okay? Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.